Okay. A little bit of choke.
This one needs a lot.
Needs a lot of choke.
Yeah. I'll hold it here.
Okay.
There you go. Just don't give it any gas, it will start. Just a little choke here now,
Yep.
like that. And there it goes.
Perfect. And I'll do the lights and stuff when I do the walk around.
Okay, very good.
No pressure here. Nice.
Charge. The clock works. I just don't have it. I have it. I have a master key. I have a kill switch for the battery. So
Yeah.
and everything, all the gauges are in.
Right?
Okay. The phone is here.
Horns here.
Yeah, that's right here. I have a little alarm here.
Mm-hmm.
You leave your fog lights on. Have your high beam,
Yep.
high beam, low beam, high beam, and you can also. I have for safety. I have blinkers over there under.
Mm-hmm. Under?
Over there.
Under here?
Yeah. And I have them in the back too.
Awesome.
Yeah. What else do I have here? That's about it.